Cloaked App Review 2025. Is it the privacy app you need? In a world of constant data leaks, privacy apps are exploding. But is Cloaked actually useful, or just another subscription? Let's find out. Cloaked is a privacy app that helps protect your personal information by generating virtual phone numbers, emails, and identities. You use these instead of your real details when signing up for services. One major benefit is control. If a company sells your data or gets breached, you can disable that cloaked identity instantly. You won't believe how empowering that feels compared to changing your real email or number. Cloaked also includes password management and tracking alerts, helping you see where your information is being used. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. However, there are limitations. Some services block virtual numbers or emails. Most people get this wrong by assuming cloaked identities work everywhere. They don't. Pricing is another factor. Cloaked uses a subscription model, which may not be ideal if you only need occasional protection. The surprising truth is Cloaked works best for frequent sign-ups, online dating, marketplaces, and subscriptions. If privacy matters to you in 2025, Cloaked is a solid tool, but not a magic shield. Subscribe for more honest app reviews you can trust.